We're out here doing a little range practice today, playing, shooting some targets. Been about this far away. Most all of our range practice don't want to get too close on the steel, but 7 yards, 8 yards, I don't know. But you can see we are having some fun, and we'll we're out here today doing some plinking target practice. Got to get them started young. 4 rules of gun safety. First rule of gun safety, all guns are loaded until checked and proven otherwise, right?
Yeah.
What's the next one? Keep your finger.
Keep your trigger off keep your finger off the trigger unless you're ready to shoot.
Okay. The next one? Know your target.
Know your target and what's beyond your target.
Yep. And also, we don't ever point our guns at
anything we're not willing to destroy.
All right. Range is safe. We have a good backdrop. We have a target set up. He's going to shoot the 6-shooter, single action, 22 long rifle. All right. Taking it off safety.
Yep.
Range is safe.
Mm-hmm.
Good sight picture.
Yeah, maybe.
Hit. Miss. Miss. Slow down. Get your sight picture. Hit.
Out.
I think we've been out here for a little while. I think that gun's getting a little heavy. Have to rest those arms for a minute.
Yeah.
So we just got a new 43X MOS. We are checking this out and running some rounds through it, see what we think. We are doing the Haley Safariland combo here for appendix carry, and we've got a new belt. We're been trying it out, so trying out a whole new system. So far I really like it, better than any of the rest so far. So we're out here on the range running a few rounds through this, seeing what our draw is, doing a little practice, try to get some training in. So here we go. Really focusing on clearing the garment, and we're working on our draw some, trying to get a few reps in, trying to get some rounds through this. Feels pretty good. We're just all completely stock right now, complete stock iron sights and with no optic yet. We are running the shield mags, so 15 round mags. So far they've been good, and the release has been changed out for a compatible release, so that's what we're running with right now. Trying to get some rounds in and do a little practice. So here we go. Still don't have a good carrier yet. I do not have the side saddle on this one. So we're gonna have to come up with something for that, or either order a side saddle if that's possible.
Is it hot?
So I'm not getting locked back on one of these mags. I think these are Gen 3s. I'm gonna order a couple more just to make sure they are good to go before I carry this all the time. But so far I'm liking it. Gen 5 43X MOS. A lot of people complain about it being snappy. I'm not really having that issue much at all. It's been good so far. So we'll continue. So the shooting setup we got, I just cut some 2x4s, drilled some holes in it. I got some 1/2 inch round. I just did some welds, made a little T-bracket so I can tape up cardboard or whatever. Got some hooks that I just threw in the forge and made some quick, easy hooks. Then using some 500 steel and a little silhouette here. I got a few other little round gongs and stuff we can hang, but I do like having that big enough where you can put a big piece of cardboard up and just put up your paper targets and do it that way as well. So keep a orange rattle can around and keep that painted up whenever we need to. I am hitting left. I am left eye dominant, so I don't know if that's got anything to do with it, but there's more grip. But that's what we're shooting today. No lock back. It's like one of those mags is locking back, the other's not. I don't have a shot timer, so we're just kind of going with it for now. Lock back on that one. Safe and clear. And we're good. So what's y'all's favorite reloader? Hand reloading kind of sucks, as you know. But right now, it's what I'm doing. So hand reloading, shield mags. This is the one that's locking back for some reason, and this one's not. Not sure what the difference is, but yeah, I don't know. I'm gonna order a couple more just to make sure. Maybe it's just that one mag is bad. Did a little trading around, picked that up, so it's not brand new to me, but I'm liking it so far. Anyone else carry a 43X or a 48? Let me know if you got any tips, tricks, anything like that. Be glad to hear it. Let's go. A couple more rounds. Let's try to get at least 100, 150 rounds or so through this thing on this range day, first time out. So. Locked back that time. I don't know. No rhyme or reason to it. Not sure what the problem is. If anyone's got any suggestions, let me know. Yeah. But anyway, like I said, I'm going to order a couple more just to make sure they're running like they're supposed to. That's not the biggest thing in the world. I hadn't had any failure to feeds or stovepipes or anything funky like that. So other than just lock back last round, lock back, it's not the end of the world to me. First failure to feed. My target's getting ready to fall over. So that's about that far. It's decent practice range there. So, First failure to feed with a shield magazine. So for all you gun gurus out there, hit more left side, like I am left eye dominant, shooting right-handed. Is that a product of that? You know, more left side hits? Or is it a grip issue? Or what do you think it is, just diagnosing off a YouTube video? I'm all for learning, trying to improve. I've always kind of had a little bit of a weird thing just because I am left eye dominant, but I'm definitely hitting more, you know, pretty much 100% from here over, and 70% from that side. So anybody got any tips or tricks, fixes on that, let me know. Thanks everyone coming out today, hanging out with us. I know I hadn't made any videos in a while. I do have some gear videos coming up. I got some new organization bags and things that I want to show and give people's ideas on, see how you'd use them. Nice cheap Amazon buy. I think it might really help get things organized in your packs or bags, range bags, everyday bags, whatever. So, but we are going to be doing some more of that, and I got some tents and stuff, some trips coming up. So we'll be bringing some more content to you. But thanks for hanging out with us. This is Ditch Doc. Everyone stay safe. See you next time. Love ya.